Mamis! Okay, so ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin ang protein. Yan, naisip ko lang na pag-usapan natin ang protein kasi parang baka marami pa rin, lalo na yung mga beginners, of course, di ba? Nagtataka tayo bakit lagi nating naririnig yung, kailangan, dagdagan mo yung protein intake mo. Yan, yun yung usual kapag ka nag-start ka pa lang na mag-workout or basta when you're trying to lose weight, di ba? Ang number one na nire-require sa atin is dagdagan ang ating protein intake. So, bakit nga ba protein? Ano ang meron sa protein? Okay? Naalala ko lang na i-take up itong topic na to because kanina nag-workout ako. So, ayan, kakagaling ko lang nag-workout ngayon. At sabi ko sa trainer ko, parang ilang days na since nag-leg day tayo, Wednesday, di ba? So, parang ilang days na and today's Monday. Masakit pa rin yung quads ko, yung harapan ng legs ko. Lalong-lalo na kapag nung nag-squats na ako, kasi kanina may squats kami. Actually, talagang yung trainer ko ngayon, ang tinitira niya lagi yung legs ko. Dahil napakarami ko pong cellulite at loose fat sa leg area, sa thighs, lalo na sa upper thighs and sa sides. So, talagang tinatrabaho niya yan. But Wednesday was really leg day. So, medyo mabigat yung mga routines namin on Wednesday. And hanggang ngayon, ramdam na ramdam ko pa yon. Kanina, pinag-squats niya ako. Talagang akala ko tutumba ako kasi masakit na masakit pala. Yung mga parang mararamdaman mo yung kaila-ilaliman ng muscles mo. Masakit siya. Sore na sore talaga siya. Sabi ko, masakit pa rin hanggang ngayon. Sabi niya, okay, so kailangan dagdagan mo yung protein intake mo. You know, I was wondering, nag-protein shake naman ako from Herbalife. You know, I have this, asa na ba yung ating protein shake? I will show you Herbalife's protein shake. This is called 24. Ayan, Rebuild Strength. Ito, I take 2 scoops in a glass of water with this. And supposedly, ang 2 scoops is 50 grams. With 240 milliliters of water. And it has, I believe, teka lang ha, parang hindi nakalagay dito. Kung ilang, ito. Ang ating protein ay 24. So, 24 ang per serving. So, marami na, di ba? And then, I have my F1 shake in the morning. So, parang sabi ko, and I choose naman the food I eat. Tinatry ko naman na high protein ang ini-incorporate ko yan sa diet ko. Pero still kulang pa rin, obviously. At saka, totoo namang kulang kasi nagtatrack din naman ako sa MyFitnessPal. And alam ko na kung minsan nagkukulangan ako dun sa required ko na daily intake. So, now, having said that, obviously, kulang yung protein intake ko, kailangan kong dagdagan. So, why? Diba? Why protein? Why do we need protein in our diet when we're trying to lose weight? Unang-una, ang protein po helps with muscle repair. Kapag ka nag-workout kasi tayo, what we're doing is we are actually parang hindi naman dinidestroy, pero hindi man nai-injure, pero nagkakaroon ng breakdown kasi sa muscles natin during when we're doing those routines. Why are we doing that? Bakit natin ginagawa yon? Kasi para pag nag-repair siya, mas maganda siya. Diba? Kasi nga, nag-rebuild tayo. So, to recover and to repair yung nag-breakdown na muscle, we need protein. So, that's the role of protein in muscle recovery, and muscle repair, and muscle growth. Kasi kapag ka nasira siya and then magre-repair siya, mas malaki siya. Parang ganon siya. Ganon yung nangyayari kapag nag-workout tayo. And then, like I mentioned, recovery. Ang protein kasi, kung makita nyo po ito, nakalagay is rebuild strength, diba? So, it helps you recover quickly. Ito yung nangyari sa akin. Kaya hanggang ngayon, sumasakit pa rin kahit na ilang days na since yung leg workout ko is because nahihirapang mag-recover kasi kulang ako sa protein. So, ito po yung pinaka-example, itong masakit pa rin hanggang ngayon. And then, of course, protein helps in maintaining muscle mass. Next vlog, I would like to discuss also the importance of gaining muscles, especially for women. I-discuss po yan, pero next vlog po yan. So ito ngayon, it helps with maintaining muscle mass. So kapag naglo-lose weight kasi tayo, lalo na kung calorie deficit tayo, kailangan yung muscle mass natin is either na-maintain mo or dinadagdagan mo, nag-gain ka. So with enough protein intake na preserve po yung muscles natin sa katawan natin. And then next is, sabi dito sa research ko kanina, hormone and enzyme production. So nakakatulong daw ang protein para doon sa pagpo-produce ng katawan natin ng enzymes and hormones. And then, of course, improve performance. Alam po ninyo kapag ako din naman, na-experience ko din talaga yan, na kapag I have enough protein intake sa isang maghapon, napapansin ko mas maganda yung performance ko kapag nag-workout ako. And I have more energy to last me through the day kahit nagaano pa ka-active yung araw ko. I have more energy, medyo maganda yung metabolism ko for the day. And another thing is parang feeling ko stronger ako kapag maganda yung protein intake ko. So, yun po. Basically, ang ilang sa mga reasons kung bakit kailangan natin ng protein at kung bakit lagi nating naririnig na, you have to take in more protein in your diet if you are trying to lose weight and if you're trying to work out. So, I hope that helps. If you have any questions let me know. You can PM me, you can inbox me, or you can ask sa comment section, and I would be very happy to help. So that's it for today. It's Coach Shay. Bye-bye.